Year 10, we are going to learn about standard form, and you have already learned about this topic in year 9, but we can quickly revise what it is. So let's start the topic. 1 minute. Stop doing that. I'm recording, okay? This noise will come. Just read it. Leave your remote here. Okay. Can you hear me, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. So you need to select first non-zero number. Okay. What do you mean by non-zero number? Number which is not zero. Okay. And that number should be first number. Is that okay? Is that okay? Guys, if you will not speak, then how will I teach? It is just not I'm teaching. What should I say? Nobody is speaking. Guys, I'm waiting for you. Can you start speaking now?
Jaden, come on, aren't you?
Okay, so if you see it is 7 first non-zero number, then what you need to do, write down arrow here and you count until here 1, 2 and 3. So you can write down this 7.5 into 10 to the power 3 because you have gone 3 steps back. Is that okay? Now nobody is saying okay or not okay.
Yes, come on, guys.
Okay. Please.
So I don't think no one's answering because they're writing it down at the same time. Because that's what I'm doing.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
I can't answer.
So let's take one example. It is 75000. Okay. So you need to put arrow right to the first non-zero number from this side. Non-zero number. Non-zero number means number which is not zero. Okay. After that, you start counting backward from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. So this you can write down 7.5 into 10 to the power 5 because you have gone 5 steps back. Okay, I'll give you one more example like 8300. So first of all, first non-zero number you put arrow, then start counting backward. Okay, let's start counting backward from here 1, 2 and 3. So it will be 8.3 into 10 to the power 3. Is that okay? I'll give you more example. See, if there are two numbers only, 540, 540. So first non-zero number you put arrow here and start counting backward. So 1 and 2. So this you can write down 5.4 into 10 to the power 2. What happened just? Number is like this. 68. Again, first non-zero number is here and you start counting backward from here to here. So this you can write down 6.8 into 10 to the power 1. Either you write 10 to the power 1 or you can write down 6.8 into 10. Okay, both are right. Is that okay? Now, next example I'm going to show you. These examples are for you. Practice, yeah? Examples for practice. And you need to answer. I will pause the video, this recording, and then you can you have plenty of time and this will stay here. So question number 1, which you need to do it now as a practice. 7800. This is question number 1. 780 question number 2. 78 question number 3. And it is 780000. Please do this question. So these are the right answers. So first answer is 7.8 into 10 to the power 3. That's right, because you have gone 1, 2 and 3 step back and you put arrow here. Second answer, it is 7.8 into 10 to the power 2. So you have gone back here 1 and 2. Now here you have just gone 1 step back. So it is 7.8 into 10 to the power 1. And here you have gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7.8 into 10 to the power 5. Now the next thing is, what happens if decimals are coming here? Like let's take another example. See 78.50. So again we'll follow the same rule. So decimal is moving 1 step back from here. So we'll count from decimal. It is moving 1 step back. So you can write down 7.8 into, it has gone 1 step back, so into 10 to the power 1. Okay. Now if you want, you can write down like this as well, 7.85 into 10 to the power 1. Okay. Now let's see another question. So it is 6853.72. Okay. Now put arrow here and decimal is moving backward. So from here 1, 2 and 3. So you can write down here 6.853 into 10 to the power, how many steps back? 1, 2 and 3. So 10 to the power 3. Okay. Or if you want, you can write down like this as well, 6.85 into 10 to the power 3. Or if you want, you can write down 6.8 into 10 to the power 3. So it is better now. We are starting counting from decimal. Let's see one more example. Then we'll move forward. It is 74523.900. So decimal is moving here. So let's start counting. So it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can write down 7.45. Just this is also, no need to write down all the digits, into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4 into 10 to the power 4. Is that okay? Now, practice questions for you. Practice question number 1. You need to write down in standard form 450.73. Okay. 852.94. 63.12 and 8500.21. Please do these 4 questions now. So here I have selected the first non-zero number is this one, and you can go 1 step back. So this will be 4.5 into 10 to the power 1. Here first non-zero number from left hand side is this one, and you are counting from your right 1 and 2. You are going 2 steps backward. So 8.52 into 10 to the power 2. Here it is first non-zero number. You are going 1 step back. So it will be 6.3 into 10 to the power 1. And here you are going 1, 2, 3. So 3 step back. So it will be 8.5 into 10 to the power 3. Nice and easy. Is that okay?
How do we know?
Okay. So here, if you see, it is 0.00072. If you start counting from your left hand side, so your first non-zero number, Isabel, see here, we are counting from this side. So if you are moving this direction, your first non-zero number is this, so then you put arrow here. Okay, because this time you are moving forward, not backward. You are moving forward. So how many steps this decimal is moving? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So decimal is coming here, so you can write down 7.2. For forward we put negative sign. So how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 4. When you are going backward, then you put positive sign on the top of 10. When you are moving forward, then you put negative sign on the top of 10. Is that okay, guys? Is that okay? Okay, let's take one more example. 0.00835. So first non-zero from left, if you are counting from here left, first non-zero number will be this. So let's count. So it is 1, 2 and 3. So it will be 8.3. Now as you are moving forward, how many steps? 3 steps. So into 10 to the power 3. So 8.3 into 10 to the power 3. Is that okay, guys? Okay. Next question is 0.0021. Okay, so if you count from your left, so 1, 2 and 3, so you need to put arrow here. Then you can write down 2.1 into 10 to the power minus 3. Here I have forgot to put minus sign, so it is minus 3. Is that okay? So this is the way you do the sums. Guys, if you have any question, you can ask. Do you have any question?
No.
Okay, now practice problems. So guys, here are 5 practice questions on the basis of these examples which I have explained you. Please try to solve now. You have 2 minutes to solve. Okay guys, welcome back. If you have tried, just check your answer. So we are moving from left hand side and first non-zero number is here. So you can move 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it is 7.8 into 10 to the power minus how many steps? 1, 2, 3,
So
4,
let's have a break now.
5. Okay, let's finish this question. And 0.0012, so here it is 1.2 and how many steps? 1, 2 and 3. So into 10 to the power minus 3. Here first non-zero number is this. So count 1, 2 and 3. So it will be 5.34 into 10 to the power minus 3. Here 1, 2 and 3. Non-zero number is here. So here also you can write down 1.87 into 10 to the power minus 3. And the last one is 1 and 2, only 2 steps forward. So 1.35 into 10 to the power minus 2. Nice and easy. So hope you have understood forward and backwards standard deviation. Thank you.